KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Yeah, finally I could test a KTM Super Duke, and yeah, it really has a lot of power, nice acceleration, and it had a lot of wheel spin at the launch, and of course a lot of wheelies. And yeah, and I kept the traction control activated due to safety reasons, because I'm on public roads and it was very cold, very low grip, but it worked very well. And I guess without traction control maybe it could have been 1 or 2 tenths faster from 0 to 200, maybe, but it worked really well. And I have to say, the Quickshifter was working so well. I never had any problems, really nice. So have fun and ride safe.